Good afternoon, kiddos. I hope that you've had a great Monday. I'm super excited about today's cattails lesson because today we're going to take a look at what you said on the wellness screener that you took recently. And you'll have an opportunity to have some really honest conversations with your classmates and your teachers. Your teachers will write down the things that you're sharing and send them to the advisement committee, and we'll be able to plan some lessons for the future that will make school an even healthier place. So today we are going to look at, let me turn on my little laser pointer here. Today we're going to look at the results of the 2022 Wellness Screener that tell us how you are feeling about school. So what in the world is a screener anyway? A screener is a test that helps us figure out who needs help. Sometimes they're short tests, sometimes they're long tests. So one of the long ones, the long screener that you just took was the iReady. Remember, that screener helped us see quickly who needs help in reading or math. The wellness screener was short, and it was one that was on your student portal. You took it about 6 weeks ago in advisement. It was about 10 minutes. You could take it in a lot of different languages if you wanted. And it even had a play button so that the questions could be read to you. I hope that you remember. But it asks you lots of questions about how you feel about school. And the wellness screener helps us see who needs social emotional help. Because guys, it's not just about academics. Our main job is to teach you the academics so that you can have good grades, so that you can do well on the milestones, so that you can graduate from high school and go on to do amazing things. But you're also a whole person that has other needs other than just academic needs. And so the wellness screener helped us see if there is anybody in the building who needs social emotional help. Are you struggling with something emotionally? So what did you say? Today, we're going to look at your results, not individual results, just by grade level. How did you answer the questions? And we want you to tell us a little bit more about what you were thinking when you answered the questions, and then tell us what you think might help make some of the problem areas better, because you'll see that there were some areas where you guys are reporting that you have some real issues you need help with. So this is what the first page looks like, and we're going to look at 4 like these. There is a lot of information on this page, so don't freak out. We're only going to focus on a little part of it. But you responded to 4 different areas: academic behavior, social behavior, emotional behavior, and belonging and identity. So today with your teachers, we're going to review what you said in all 4 of those areas and then tell us a little bit more about it. So don't worry about this. We're not going to look at this top section. We're going to focus right down here on the blue squares. If you're in a 6th grade homeroom, you will only look at the 6th grade blue squares. If you're in a 7th grade homeroom, you will focus right here. And if you're in an 8th grade homeroom, you will focus right here. We're going to go through this page together, and then your teachers will take the rest of it and have the conversation with you guys on your own. So, no risk means we don't have to worry about you. You're doing great. You said, I'm happy. I need no extra help. Low risk means I'm okay. I'm not like amazing and perfect, but I'm good. You guys don't have to worry about me. Some risk means, I'm not feeling so great about this area of school, and I might need some attention. High risk, that's a red flag. That means I am really struggling and somebody needs to come save me right now. So today, you guys are going to look at these 2 categories, some risk and high risk, and you're going to add the 2 columns together. So let's start with question number 1. I can keep up with what is being taught. You guys all answered that. I can keep up with what is being taught. And 27% of you have some risk associated with that question, and 5% of you are at high risk. So 27 plus 5 equals 32. That means that in 6th grade, 32% of you are really struggling with keeping up with what is being taught. Next, I have trouble working alone. 11% of you in 6th grade are at some risk and 2% at high risk. Together, 13% of our 6th graders have trouble working alone. Remember, in 7th grade, you're looking here, and in 8th grade, you're looking here. We go down here because these are the really troublesome ones. I participate in class. In 6th grade, 29 plus 4 is 33. 33% of 6th graders are saying, I'm not participating in class. 7th grade, 32 plus 2, 34% of 7th graders are saying, not really participating. And check this out. In 8th grade, 38 plus 4, 42% of 8th graders are saying that they are really having trouble participating in class. Those are some high numbers, right? So I want you to take a look at the rest of these and discuss by grade level which areas are really troublesome. And then you're going to go on to the next page of the slideshow and you're going to tell us more. Why don't you participate in class? What would make you participate more? You guys talk with your classmates, talk with your teachers. Tell us what's going on for real. Then when you have some answers, your teacher will click on this link. It will go to a Google form. And in that Google form, your teacher will put in his or her name, what grade level, and then right there is the question, why don't you participate in class? And your teacher will write down your very honest feedback. What would make you participate more? Tell us. The advisement committee will read all of these responses, and there is a question for every single area. And then we will help put together some lessons that will hopefully help you feel better about some of those really high risk areas. So I'm going to let you loose now to go ahead and do the rest of the areas all by yourself with your teachers, have some honest conversations, and I really look forward to hearing your responses. Thanks for being honest, guys. Love you and talk to you soon.